I can log in with my ID badge, or by entering a username and password, or by a combination of methods. My school can easily control who can access the printer by assigning me access rights through my ID badge, or giving me login credentials. That way I can use the printer when I need to, which may be outside of regular classroom time. I don't need to have someone print it for me. After all, that is part of the fun in using 3D printing in my schoolwork. I have several jobs that I have sent to the Ysoft SafeQ server. If I'm not sure which job it is, I can click on the details to see a large preview of my object. Also, if I was happy with any previous prints, I can easily reprint them. It depends on the settings on how long the objects will remain available for reprinting. However, if you like some objects and you know you will reprint them, Ysoft SafeQ can help you here too. Just mark the objects you want to keep as favorite, and you will have them always accessible for reprint through the favorite section. And you know what is the best about reprinting? You don't have to reprint on the very same printer. Just log in on any ED printer and you will have your favorites available for reprinting. But now I want to print the math spinner, so I'll choose that. The doors open only after I have selected a print job and select print. I'm going to make sure that the glass is clean after the previous user and apply a light layer of glue. That is very important and ensures the first layer adheres properly. Okay, we are ready, so I'll press start printing. It's starting to print. I know it'll take a while to print, so I'll go do some studying. I've received an email notification that my print job is done, so let's go check it out. Because ED's doors lock during printing, I know that no one can take my 3D print. It unlocks only when I log in. The model looks great and I can remove it and test it out. Be very careful when removing a model. Always remove it against a hard surface and not against your hand or fingers. There we go. Now I can use a spatula to remove any excessive glue or filament. Clean the glass with some water and place it back ready for the next print job. In case I printed a model with supports, I can easily break those off by hand or cut them out with some tools. I can also smoothen the surface of the object or paint it. The material itself is very resilient.